Everybody, it's Steffanie and welcome back to my channel. I'm here to do a very quick intro because I have a blog post accompanying this video, and what I'm doing is I'm comparing the JACLYN Hill Morphe palette to the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette, and we're going to do some swatches because I literally found dupes for every shade of the Naked Heat palette in JACLYN's palette with the exception of one. So I hope you find this helpful and interesting, and if you're looking for one of these palettes with the holiday season coming up, or just in general if you're not watching this around the holidays, then I hope this is helpful. And yeah, stay tuned for the swatches. Guys, well, I hope that was interesting. I know my swatching on camera needs some work, but you know, we gotta start somewhere. There are more details on this comparison on my blog, so I will link that post below. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching this quick video, and if you found it helpful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I appreciate it. Thanks so much. Love you guys. Bye.